Hi friends, now I'm going to explain about how to generate PDF content in PHP. And today I'm also going to show you how to download the packages without making use of Composer in PHP. Okay, for the demonstration purpose, I'm going to download the library MPDF, which is a free library in PHP, a third-party library which is used to generate the PDF content. Okay. So for the purpose, I'm using my web host account. So before going to uh, write the code for generating the PDF, of course, now I'm having the file already written. So first you need to download that third-party library, okay, MPDF. So I'm going to Google. So type MPDF without Composer. Okay. So click on this. So this is the name of the website, very good website. So here you be downloading the packages, and this package you can directly place them in your project and you can work with them. There is no need of Composer. Okay, so here download the package by clicking on this download button. Of course, in my system I had already downloaded it, so I'm going to make use of the file which I have already downloaded. Okay, it will be around some 98.5 MB. Okay, so this is the folder, so this is the zip file. Okay, so let me delete this folder. Okay, so this is the folder which I sorry, this is the zip file which I get when I download the library from this particular website. Okay, you see here there is the complete information of who is the vendor, on the home page is the GitHub page. Okay, in the table of contents, so you can find help, everything. Okay, so now I am going to upload this file to my web hosting account. Okay, so this is my file manager in web hosting account. So I'm clicking on upload files now. If at all you want, you can check it out in your local host. Okay, all you need to do is just extract it. So just follow the same steps if you want to test uh, the PDF generation in your local system by making use of XAMPP or whatever it might be. Okay, so if you take the Windows, there will be a folder called XAMPP. In that there will be another folder called htdocs or some htdocs. Okay, if you take Windows sorry Linux installations, you will be having the folder called public_html. So the procedure will be the same. Okay, whether it may be Windows or Linux. So click on upload files, select the file. So I'm uploading this MPDF zip file. Click on upload. It takes a little bit of time. You need to be very patient. Okay, let it upload. 468950. Server to complete. Okay, the zip file has uploaded. So now I need to extract this. So right click on this, click on extract. Wait a second. something went wrong. Okay, it seems like the file which I downloaded earlier has some problem. Okay, zip seems to be corrupted. Okay, another again I'm uploading another zip file. I had downloaded another copy and uploaded to my web host account. I'm clicking on extract. Oops, seems like it has broken again too. Seems like the site is down. Okay, turn on file manager. Extract. Okay, extract. Sometimes happens with the free accounts. Okay, yeah. Now I got the message extraction completed. So if you get this message with a green light, okay, and the extraction is complete. So now I am removing this zip file. Okay. No, I don't need this zip file. Okay, delete it, and I'm renaming this. Rename, just giving a short name, MPDF. That's it. Okay. Next, I'm going to upload the file which I have written for testing purpose for test.php. This test.php simply generates a PDF which consists of sample data. So now I'm going to access my web host account. Okay. So here slash test.php. So see, I got the PDF. Okay. So this is how uh, you download the third-party libraries, PHP libraries without using Composer. It's as much as that easy. Okay. So long, let me explain you about the code. So open the test.php. So see here, this is the folder we got when we extracted the MPDF library. So in this folder there is vendor composer.json log file and index.php and all. In this vendor you will be having a subfolders. Okay, so this file path location is very important, autoload.php. Okay, so it is in mpdf vendor and autoload.php. Okay, so now open the code test.php. So I'm zooming it. See, this is the path you need to be very careful. Okay, you need to mention the path of autoload.php. Actually, these vendor autoload.php, composer.json, everything will be created by the composer when you install the packages using composer. So what this website, I mean the zip file where we downloaded, uh, the site from where we downloaded, it will be having all these, um, um, they will be giving everything, every folder on the file you get. It's just like installing with composer. Okay, it's almost equals to installing the library using composer. Okay, they will give you everything. Okay, every folder and file. You just need to download the package and use it. There is no need of typing the commands like composer or something. Okay, so here I'm creating the object of class, MPDF. Okay, by making use of write HTML, I'm going to write the content onto the PDF. So you need to be very careful. I mean, no matter whatever you write, the content doesn't show up on the PDF. I mean, the content will not appear on the PDF until and unless you call this function output. Okay, so don't forget to call this output function. So this is how we use libraries, third-party libraries, download and use them without using Composer. So this example consists of you know uh, there's two purposes. This example has two purposes. One, to demonstrate on how to generate the PDF. Two, to install the libraries, PHP libraries without using Composer. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.